welcome to my channel. It is time for my FabFitFun unboxing. I am so excited for this. This is the summer box and I'm ready for summer. I'm gonna tell you guys this, I am ready for summer. So thank you FabFitFun for sending me this box. But if you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a subscription box where you actually get to choose the items in the box. It's up to like a $300 and something value for every box depending on what you guys get. You get 4 boxes a year if you choose to do the subscription for the whole year, or you can do or you guys can get it every season. So if you guys decide to do the annual subscription, so you get a free gift with purchase, you're just going to use DesignerJen gift. You guys can do that. So you guys can choose the annual, you get a free gift, or if you guys just want to do the seasonal box, so just give it a try, you guys can get 20% off your first box by just using the code DesignerJen. I will put the links below in the information. So I love it. I love it. I know a couple of you guys love it. But FabFitFun, some of the stuff that I have gotten into my box, I use all the time. Like I got a hat, I think for winter. I wear that thing on a daily basis. I just wore it yesterday because it was freezing outside. And then I got this like unhide blanket that I wear every single time that I'm down here. Like it's like kind of like a shawl blanket, and I absolutely love it. So if you guys are interested, I will have the links below, but you can either get a free gift if you do the whole year, or you guys can get 20% off your first box if you just want to try it out. So these are the items that I chose. So let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what we got. So it says FabFitFun, and then it says out of the office on the little flaps. And then we got our little handy dandy cardboard that we don't need. And voila. So I'm just gonna put this right next to me. Let's turn my TV on somehow. That's awesome. Turn my TV on. So the first thing I got is a Swell bento box. I eat lunch at school every day, and I've been eating like, you know, healthier foods and stuff. So I was pretty excited to get this. This was 50 bucks. But it is the Swell brand, which I know they make water bottles, but it says scan here for like exclusive offers, but I really like it. It's like a metal box with a silicone top. It's got 2 dividers in it, and then you can also take this out if you want to, or you can make one bigger than the other, however you want to do it. But I absolutely love this. I've been like, you know, eating grapes for lunch and like cottage cheese and stuff, and I thought this is a cute little thing to put in my lunchbox to use, or if I'm like going somewhere and I need a little dish to pass. This is perfect, so that I don't need to bring like I have book club and I go like way too big for this, but this is like a perfect little thing to put some like little goodies in for book club, and I absolutely love it. But this was 50 bucks. 50 bucks for this, and I love it. So you can get like up to like, I think it's like 350 bucks of items that you guys get to choose. Like they give you like 7 different categories to choose from, like one of each category, which is awesome. The next thing I got is dry shampoo. If you guys notice, I have been flattening my hair a lot lately because I've been losing my hair a little bit, and I've been trying not to wash it as much as I usually do. I have some shampoo, dry shampoo that I have that it's kind of old, and I thought let's just try this. This is the Olaplex number 4D dry shampoo. This is marked for $30. So I thought for dry shampoo, let's give this a try. So dry shampoo, can't go wrong with that. The next thing I got is a depuffing mask. I thought this is kind of interesting to use. So a depuffing mask, and I forgot what this even looks like, because I like added these to my box like a month ago, but it is a little, oh okay. So this is like one of those like Orby kind of masks, like you put it in your fridge or something, and then you put it on your face to kind of just cool your face down. Like I know when I get home from school in the next couple weeks when it's hot out, I want to put something on this on my face just to cool it down. It's got like a nice soft thing. So this is marked for $60, but I thought, oh, it looks so cool. Look at that. Yes. It's already cool. Oh, I can feel, I'm gonna enjoy this. And then if I really want to feel really cool, I can always just flip it over and do it this way. So, a depuffing little silicone, a little mask. So I got that. The next thing I got is some mascara. I think there wasn't a lot to choose from in this section, and I'm all for trying mascara, especially $30 mascara. So I'm pretty excited to try this. This is a little bit different. I mean, it's got in there. I might try some tonight. I already have mascara on, but I might add some more. But let's try out some fun mascara, and the brand is Sweet. So yes, we got that. The next item I'm gonna grab is a trimmer. So I got the Bush Balm, the Francesca body and bikini hair trimmer. I have one, but I wanted something that's a little bit better. This trimmer was marked for $65. I thought I'm gonna try it. Like sometimes I might miss a spot or anything. I just thought this is perfect to have, especially just on the go. On the go, pretty easy. So we got a nice little trimmer that you guys can use, and I don't know if it's charged, but yes, it is charged. But it comes with like a nice little bag, so nice little trimmer. Look at that. I know my husband will want to use that. I know my husband will want to use that. So we got a trimmer. I think this is the last item that I have. Yes. And the last item I got is a Glossy Glaze by DP Hue. It is a 2-minute conditioning glaze. So I ended up getting this for my hair. So basically what I'll do is like put it in my hair. I think you leave it in and then you wash it out. Or just kind of, the instant in-shower conditioning glaze, leave-in ultra hair smooth and super glossy. Shines up to 3 washes. So you kind of just put it in your hair and then rinse it out, so it gives you kind of like glossy hair. I wish I had this before I got dressed today so I could have nice glossy hair, but this was $29. $29. So yes, but they have like a bunch of stuff from jewelry to clothing to dishes to a bunch of stuff. But the thing that I'm super excited for is my bento box, my little bento box. I'm like super excited because that is like a cute little size to just carry with me when I need a snack or something, and it keeps it cold also. So if you guys enjoyed this FabFitFun summer box, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I have a little bit other stuff going on, but if you guys are really interested in the FabFitFun, I definitely recommend checking it out. I've had a lot of people tell me they absolutely love it, and you never know. You never know what you're gonna absolutely love. So make sure you guys, again, give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.